In this video, we'll show you how to open a real account on Deriv. From the Deriv homepage, navigate to the Traders Hub. Next to the Traders Hub text, there is a drop-down option to select Demo or Real Account. This feature allows you to easily switch between your demo and real accounts with a click of a button. To proceed with creating a real Deriv account, choose Real as an option. Next, select any of the available fiat or cryptocurrencies. From the Choose the Document Type section, there are two options. Option 1. Select the ID document type you will be providing: National ID card, driver's license, or passport. Option 2. Selecting I want to do this later allows you to skip providing the document details, such as the document number. Then enter your personal details and click Next. In the third step, enter your residential address details. As a final step, you are requested to confirm whether you are a politically exposed person and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Add Account. Awesome! You have just created a real Deriv account. Check out more videos to discover how you can make the most of your trading journey with Deriv. For more information on Deriv's products and services, head to www.deriv.com. Thank you for watching.